One of the limitations of physical metrology is that it is silent. It provides the measurement data, but that alone cannot provide insights. On the other hand, Panoptes virtual metrology understands and leverages input-output relationships. With this, it provides explainability in addition to all wafer virtual metrology data in real time. Users can utilize explainability at every stage of the modeling pipeline, from model creation to management. When users create a new model, Panoptes VM evaluates each input feature's data integrity and provides quality scores. And Panoptes VM analyzes hundreds of input features to calculate relevance and importance scores, measuring how strongly each input actually correlates with what users want to predict. Real-time, all-wafer VM data, powered by explainability, changes how engineers incorporate data insights into managing manufacturing processes. For example, with VM data, engineers can statistically analyze and monitor for anomalies or mismatch. And when one is detected, they can use Panoptes VM's explainability capabilities to conduct root cause analysis. When something goes wrong, you no longer have to start from scratch. Interpret your manufacturing processes with Panoptes VM. To learn more, visit our website at gausslabs.ai.